I like how they put like wood down so you can walk on it.
Nature. Nature.
You came out here to hike. Look at nature and get hard off.
Shut the up. You're the only one that gets hard off nature.
I bet Josh gets hard off nature. Only my nipples.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yep, my nipples are hard, I told you.
I'm not looking down.
He's like, look at my so hard. It's so hard. Like it's such a stiffy off nature. Wait.
You weirdo.
You should have stood right there. So naturey. Perfectly sturdy. It is too. Holy
It just looked bent in the middle.
You know what I'm saying? A little dip there.
It's just skinny.
A little dip there, a little dip there.
Little dippity dip do.
Dip, we dip.
Shut the fuck up.
Put your feet up on my bridge. Nature. The most beautiful thing in my life.
You said world weird.
Next to my
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Oh, Jennifer! Jennifer!
Do you know that?
Hey, Jennifer!
I got a question.
Jennifer is a Jessica.
It's me, Jennifer.
I won't date you, Jennifer. Leave me alone, you're too big. Jennifer, what I say?
What did you do? They all rolled at you.
God, you see that log all the way up there?
Wanna go check it out?
Josh,
You got that?
see that shit?
You got that?
You wanna go up there and check it out?
Oh, do we want to go up there? Yeah, let's go up there.
So many Jennifers! Who said that? Comes Rob with his Dunkin' coffee. Nature. You're almost there.
Brakes falls on me, I die.
What's-
Doing what he loved. Sit on it, it breaks.
You both go down. I'm just sitting here recording like, oh shit. And then I have Tyler edit this one. I say rip Rob and Josh.
All you'd have to do is go to my house and open my laptop and
But first I have to manage to get to my house.
upload it. You'll get to your house.
I'll just steal your car.
Make sure you upload that if I die.
I'll steal your car.
There you go. Yeah.
You scared the fuck shit out of me. If I didn't have to hold on this camera, I could probably make it down that without totally killing myself. What is wrong with you? We'll be right back after we get down this monster.
Die!
I thought you were going right into that tree.
Oh God, I thought it was too. Oh, it hurts. Oh, look. You guys seen Batman anyway?
Oh no.